It's Jonathan Job here again, and welcome to another crypto weekly update. I hope you are all doing well today. So, what we're seeing in some latest news is that tokenization is at a crossroads here with the trucking industry. So, they're looking to combine cryptocurrency and decentralized finance models to create a better system for trucking companies. Again, this is just another news article and another way that cryptocurrency is moving more mainstream. It starts off with all the gaming and all the novelty things, but then eventually, these new developments and ideas and inventions begin to move their way into the mainstream, which is what we're seeing now. We're seeing here that the funding roundup, that DeFi developers have the attention of venture capitalists. They are loving the decentralized finance model. This is an amazing model where we can keep economies running and ecosystems running, but giving the people back control of their finances, giving you back control of your finances, not leaving it in the hands of a bank or a government, but you have full control. I call it the digital version of pairing your money in the backyard. Now, just quickly, if you do enjoy these videos and the content, please make sure you like and subscribe, hit the bell button to get notifications, and make sure you leave something, chat in the comment. Let us know if you have any questions, you want to hear more or less about any specific topics. We would be more than happy to hear from you and do extra videos on those. Now, we see here research shows that Bitcoin options traders expect price to hit $30,000 in quarter four. Now, if you don't know much about options trading, essentially what you can do is with options trading is people put down money on a certain price, and if the price goes above that, they make money. If the price stays below that, they can lose it all. So it's very, very interesting to see. Options traders will know a bit more about what I'm talking about there, but there seems to be a lot of money riding on the fact that Bitcoin's going to hit around about $30,000 in quarter four. Something very, very interesting to see. And we'll have a look at the Bitcoin chart in a moment and have a look to see whether that is a possibility or not. SBF, so that's Sam Bankman-Fried. That is the gentleman who runs FTX, one of the biggest exchanges in the world, one of the most popular. And he has been a significant donor in the US midterm elections. That is big, big news. Why? Because there is a lot of money in cryptocurrency now. There's a lot of cryptocurrency multi-millionaires, some billionaires. And these guys have got money then to be able to put into elections. This is good news because we'll start to see some more cryptocurrency positive outcomes, the more money that can be put into these elections. OpenSea has launched an on-chain tool to enforce NFT royalties. There's been some issues with companies coming out and saying that if you buy this NFT and then other people in the ecosystem sell their NFTs, you'll get a royalty out of that. Well, some of them weren't being true to their royalties, so now they're putting a new tool on there to make sure that if you buy an NFT with guaranteed royalties, that you actually get paid those royalties. All these different things that need to be ironed out on the way to mass adoption, but great to see that OpenSea is enforcing that. If we go over to the chart, we can see as of last week there, we definitely held that $20,000 mark. We were looking to see it broke below a little level here, and we wanted to see, oh, will it continue down past 20,000? No, it bounced off 20,000 with some gusto. Now, if we see it bounce off this level here, okay, this 20,820, I think we're really going to then, obviously see some continued upside. This would be a confirmed bullish pattern. So if we see a nice little bounce up here, then we're definitely confirmed bullish mode for the short term on the daily chart. So very interesting to see. We're going to continue to keep a close eye on that. You may have noticed the other day that the stock market was down, but Bitcoin was up. That is another one of many different divergences that has happened, and that gets investors very, very excited. They start to look at cryptocurrency and Bitcoin as a bit of a hedge against this whole inflation thing. And so the more times that Bitcoin is up when the stock market is down, the better it is for the space, the better it is for us investors and for us traders. So that is the weekly update for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said, please make sure you like and subscribe. Leave your comments down there. Anything you want to hear more of, let us know. Thanks very much, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.